It's Yamina Hall here, and today I want to talk to you in this video. I want to talk to you about brand clarity and how to get clear on your audience. Okay, so if this is your first time watching me here, my name is Yamina Hall and I am a digital brand designer and vlogger. So today's video is all about brand clarity and how to get clear on your target audience. All right, so as you know, if you're building a brand on social media or online, you need to have brand clarity. You need to have clarity on your audience. Who are you talking to? Who are you going to market to, right? You can't market and talk to everybody because everybody is not your target market, okay? And that's what brand clarity is. Brand clarity is getting clear on your audience and who are you going to be talking to. So how do you do this? Okay, well, you have to ask yourself a couple of questions. All right, first of all, who are you talking to, right? Who are you talking to? Are you talking to women? Are you talking to single women, married women, women with children? Are you talking to men only? You need to clarify on who you are generally talking to for your brand, because you can't market to everybody. You can't please everybody. You need to find a specific target audience person that you are going to be talking to. Okay, are you talking to women network marketers? Are you talking to men network marketers? Okay, so you really need to identify who you are talking to, right? Number two, where does your target audience live? Are they in the US? Are they out of the country? Do they live in, high-end neighborhoods? Are they middle class? Do they live in lower class neighborhoods? You have to think about all of this when it comes to your brand clarity and getting to know your audience, okay? Also, you can ask yourself, where do they hang out on social media, right? What do they like to eat? Where do they shop? What's their age? Okay, you need to ask yourself a few of these questions so you can narrow it down. There's like tons of questions you want to ask yourself. But in order for you to get started with brand clarity, I want you to ask yourself those few simple questions, and this way this will help you narrow down on getting clear on your audience, so this way you can start producing content for your audience and building a brand around your audience, because your brand is basically going to attract the people that you want to work with, correct? Okay, so your brand is going to basically attract the same people who have the same type of interest that you have. All right, so I know this wasn't super long, it wasn't super short either, but I wanted to just get you guys on the same page and understanding what brand clarity is and getting clear on your audience. All right, so I'm going to there is a link for a brand clarity, getting to know your audience questionnaire checklist that I'm going to provide for you in the description of this video. Okay, so it's just a questionnaire, brand checklist, brand clarity checklist of questions that you can ask yourself to help you get a more brand clarity and get more clear on who your audience is. Okay, guys, so there's going to be a description and in the bottom of this video, in the description of this video, there's going to be a link for you to actually download that brand clarity checklist. All right, so if this video has given you any value today, make sure that you subscribe, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.